the story got to move on. Once we got rid of one side of a cube and have the spring unit based on the L-shaped profile, the next reasonable question is how much further can we go? As always, I got something for you. The first test, the original test with this corner was quite positive, I would say. The transfer function of the zinc coated steel was that test was good. The transfer function was good, so I made what has to be done. I did what has to be done. I done what has to be done. Do be done. So all in all, at the end of the day, we got the new build, new concept, call it whatever, and it's this. This reverb, the wall of springs, and the rest is, well, just a logical continuation. I mean, do I have to explain anything here? Let's not wait for anything. I have few springs on top, and since we have a pre-made hose, it's fairly easy to secure the springs. So let's just plug him and get few sounds. Or I'm gonna put the mic a bit, or I'm just gonna put it a bit closer to the mic. Reposition the microphone. Acoustically, we're good. Obviously, contact mic, it's your time, baby. I love it. Look, one hit, okay? And the amount of tail, the amount of sustain this structure is carrying is just unbelievable. And I can stop it. So it means that it's just springs taking the signal from the frame and continue carrying it inside this wall. Inside this wall of reverb. It's just amazing. So Cube is fun. Cube is it's nice looking. We have this light form and everything. It turns more into construction. So I'm gonna take that off. It turns more into just kind of a Lego. Contact points we have in most of the places they match. Sometimes you have to figure out the order how you're gonna assemble the structure. As I was saying earlier, this is our This is our standard M6 bolt, and for this build it is very loose, and I was thinking that that's going to be a problem, but the combination of two washers like M6 and M8, and I also got M10 washers. This combination is really good. Big, juicy, good. And these two bad boys, there you go. So you can cover a pretty big surface now with this combo of two washers, and if you want to go even further, you can replace M8 with 10, and then you got a very secure situation. I need to tell one thing, that I'm not using a 2mm thick profile. I'm using actually 3mm thick profile, and that allows me to maintain the whole rigidness of a construction and not lose stiffness and the transfer function and everything. And that is actually important in a way, because if you consider what is transferring sound, that's got to be a material, an amount of this material. And I started thinking more and more about that, because I also got the small aluminum plates as a reverb unit, and I bought 0.7mm thick aluminum plate, and it was very light, and the transfer function was very low, so it has a very short tail, and that immediately gave me an understanding that to have a good transfer function we need a good mass and good density. If we want to shorten the tail, we just need to think of some more softer materials like aluminum or copper. Would definitely transfer some transients, but it would not go that far and have these massive tails as we have with steel. As an addition, I got, as you can see slightly here, a big collection of different kinds of springs. This is not a spring. Different collection of springos, and now I can just continue making these units, so I can build more. This setup also allows me to have extensions, and I have an example of this extension. I've been testing mounting springs in different ways and fashions. I originally I was thinking about welding the springs to the L-shaped profile as well, but I would need to buy a steel profile. I kind of want to continue building the modular units, you know, that I can just use as a constructor. So the solution was simple. Pow! I mean, look at that. And they ain't gonna go nowhere. If you think that they're gonna go somewhere, they ain't gonna go nowhere. And actually, I haven't done that, so let's do it now. Spring bar unit, and obviously it's not attached to anything, so it's just this profile with the springs on bolts with washers. By all the theory, the sound should be loose, short, and not very interesting. Good collection of those like rolling mechanisms. Wait a second. Okay. Now the wrench. Good. Once again, the transfer function. I've actually realized that one of my favorite tests is just to have this this wrench with a rotation option. I mean, once again, the mic is in here. We're picking up mainly this one. Nice mechanical library. It's good. So there you go. Now this, as you can imagine, go in here, and what would it mean is that we have the same thing now with the reverb. What are we waiting for? Nothing. I don't care. That's interesting. Should have I used like that? Yes. So that is the thing that you would need to pay attention to partly, is where the dimensions are going. So regardless that it's same unit type of a construction, you'd still need to pay attention to these kind of details. Right? So, there you go. Let's make sure that it's tight. Good. Contact mic on. Sustain, baby. I mean, do I have to say anything? I think it's freaking awesome. This is the most simple thing or way I could have just imagined that to work. And it worked just nice. It just does. Yes. Yes. Yes.